Let's talk about content. In the Venus program, you have a media library, which is where all the content you have uploaded or created is stored. To access the media library, click on Media from the menu list. Here you can perform a number of functions including uploading, tagging, associating an account, creating, editing, or deleting presentations. To delete an item, check the box next to the item and click the trash can icon. Before your media files can be added to a playlist, they must be uploaded or added to your media library. There are 3 different ways to get your media in the Venus program. The first way is to import pre-made content directly into Venus. The second way is to use web presentation within Venus Control Suite. The third way is to create a Content Studio presentation. Let's take a look at these options. To import, you can drag and drop files directly to your media library window, or you can select the blue Add New button. Now you can either drag, drop, or browse to the desired files. You can upload a single file or multiple files at once. Let's walk through this step with a free video from daktronics.com/content, which is now saved on the desktop. Click the Add New button and choose Click here to upload. Browse to the desktop and choose the video file. Now click Open. After the file is successfully uploaded, a green checkmark will appear. Now click Next. The Tag and Associate window will appear. Tagging and associating your content is not required, but it is recommended to help you stay organized. You can associate your files to a particular account or assign them a tag. Let's add a new tag and name it Social Media. I'll type in my tag name and click the plus sign. Click Done to return to the media library. For more information on tagging, please review the tagging tutorial or download the PDF worksheet titled Tagging. The other way to add creative content into Venus is to create a new web presentation or new Content Studio presentation. To launch either of these content editors, go to the Media Library, then click the arrow next to the Add New button. Web Presentation is the web-based content editor. Content Studio is an optional software that can be installed on your computer. Please note that although Venus Control Suite can be used on any operating system with internet access, Content Studio is an optional Windows-based program and will not install on Mac computers. If you choose Web Presentation, you will be taken directly to a web-based page. If you choose Content Studio, it will launch in a separate window on your computer. Enter in the username and password and click Sign In. This is the same username and password used to access Venus Control Suite. As new media files are added to the media library, they are automatically labeled depending on how they were added. If you uploaded a video or image directly, it will be labeled as image or video. If you created a web presentation or Content Studio file, it will be labeled accordingly. To edit an existing presentation, click on the thumbnail and click the pencil icon from the slide out to the right. This will open your presentation and allow you to edit it. To easily locate any files, use the Filter File Types option. The next video in this tutorial will walk you through using the Web Presentation tool.